Welcome back, my wealth warriors. How are you all doing today? I'm Badamosi Omalola, and I am so excited to have you here. Whether you're a returning subscriber or new to the channel, welcome to this space where we turn finances into fun and set you up for long-term success. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to boost your wealth by diversifying your investments. This is one of the most powerful tools to build and protect wealth, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take action, no matter your income or experience level. Let's get started. Let me hit you with a quick fact. Did you know that 90% of successful investors attribute their long-term growth to diversification? Yep. It's not just about making the right bet but spreading your bets across different investments. Imagine you have a garden. If you plant only one type of flower and a storm wipes them out, you're left with nothing. But if you have a mix, some flowers, some vegetables, some shrubs, your garden's still thriving even after the storm. The same goes for your investments. Stick with me because we're about to dive into how you can build your own garden of wealth. Now, picture this: instead of relying on one single paycheck, imagine you have multiple streams of income flowing in from different places, like a mini ecosystem of financial growth. You'll still face some rainy days, but the chances of bouncing back stronger are so much higher. That's why diversification is the ultimate safety net. It not only protects what you've built but gives your wealth more room to grow in ways you might not even expect. And the best part? You don't need to be a finance wizard to get started. We're going to break it down in simple, easy to follow steps, so you can see how each move you make brings you closer to financial security. Whether you're a fan of stocks, curious about bonds, or even interested in exploring other avenues like real estate or commodities, there's something here for everyone. So, buckle up, and grab a notebook if you want to jot down some of these gems. I'm here to make sure you feel confident, empowered, and ready to take control of your financial future. Plus, I'll be giving you examples and real-life scenarios to show you exactly how diversification can work for you. Let's make it happen. Let's get into the why. Why should you care about diversifying your investments? Here's the thing: investing in just one asset class, like stocks or real estate, is like walking a financial tightrope. One wrong move, one market crash, and your entire financial future is at risk. By diversifying, you're creating a safety net. You balance risk and reward by investing in a variety of assets, so if one fails, you have others to back you up. Imagine this: you put all your money into tech stocks because tech has been booming. Great, right? Until a sudden market downturn wipes out 20% of your portfolio. But if you had invested 50% in tech, 30% in bonds, and 20% in real estate, that hit wouldn't feel as hard. Your bonds and real estate might even be growing while tech stumbles, keeping your portfolio on a steady climb. Diversification isn't just for the ultra-wealthy, it's a principle anyone can apply. Whether you're starting with $100 or $100,000, the concept is the same: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Got that? Keep watching because we're about to get into the specific types of investments you need to diversify today. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this part. Thanks. Alright, now that you know why it's so important, let's talk about how you can actually do it. First up, stocks. Stocks are the bread and butter of most investment portfolios. But here's the catch: diversify within your stocks. Don't just invest in one company or one sector. Spread your investments across different industries: tech, healthcare, consumer goods, energy, you name it. Let's say you have $1,000 to invest. Instead of buying $1,000 worth of Apple stock, you could spread it out: $400 in Apple, $300 in a healthcare stock, and $300 in an energy stock. If the tech sector hits a rough patch, your healthcare and energy stocks could be doing well, balancing out any losses. Next, we have bonds. Bonds are like the calm, steady friend in your investment group. They don't grow as fast as stocks, but they're reliable, especially when the stock market is down. We're just getting started. I'll break down how to diversify beyond stocks and bonds, and we'll talk about some hidden gems that can really boost your portfolio. Stick around. Now, let's get into some exciting options beyond just stocks and bonds. This is where things get interesting. We're talking about real estate, REITs, real estate investment trusts, commodities like gold, and even crypto. These options add variety to your portfolio. You can invest in real estate through REITs, which let you enter the market with smaller amounts of money while enjoying rental income. Let's say you invest $500 in a REIT focusing on commercial properties. Even if the stock market crashes, your REIT may still generate steady returns. Commodities like gold provide a hedge against inflation. When currencies lose value, gold tends to go up. Consider allocating 5 to 10% of your portfolio to gold or commodities, as they can gain value when the dollar weakens. Then there's cryptocurrency. It's risky, but with a small portion of your portfolio, think 1 to 5%, investing in crypto could offer high rewards. You might be wondering, how much should I allocate to each of these? Don't worry, we'll get to that in a moment. Let's talk about the tools that can help you start diversifying easily, even if you're a beginner. You don't need to be a financial wizard to start diversifying. There are so many beginner-friendly tools out there to help you. Let's talk about some of my favorites. Robinhood is great if you're looking to invest in stocks with no commission fees. You can easily buy and sell stocks, and it's perfect for people who are just starting out. Then, there's Wealthfront and Betterment. Both of these are robo-advisors that automatically invest for you based on your goals. These platforms are great for setting up a diversified portfolio with minimal effort. You can use Wealthfront to create a portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, and even real estate. The platform manages everything for you, adjusting your investments based on market conditions. Plus, they provide regular updates, so you can track your progress effortlessly. Acorns is another fantastic option. Acorns rounds up your purchases and automatically invests your spare change into a diversified portfolio. You're literally building wealth without even thinking about it. Don't go anywhere. Next, we're going to talk about how you can automate your investments and stay on track with long-term wealth growth. This is the secret sauce, so you won't want to miss it. Thanks. Now, the best way to ensure long-term growth is by automating your investments. Automation is your friend. It removes the temptation to time the market or make emotional decisions. You simply set up automatic contributions, and boom, you're consistently growing your wealth without the stress. Most platforms, like Wealthfront or Acorns, allow you to set up automatic weekly or monthly deposits. Even if it's just $50 a month, those small, consistent contributions add up over time and compound into big returns. This strategy not only simplifies your investing but also helps you develop a healthy financial habit. Another tip: rebalance your portfolio regularly. For example, if stocks have done really well and now make up 80% of your portfolio when your goal was 70%, it's time to rebalance and maybe add more to your bonds or real estate. Before you go, here's the most important part: consistency is key. I'll show you how to stick to this strategy over the long term. Trust me, with a solid plan and automation, you'll be amazed at how far your wealth can grow. If you're still with me, you've got everything you need to start diversifying like a pro. But I want to hear from you. How are you planning to diversify your investments? Drop it in the comments. And remember, if you got value from this video, DOOP that like button, hit subscribe, and share your questions below. Want more videos like this? Let me know. I'm here to help you on your wealth building journey.